Yo guys, today's the day I'm going to build my V8 coffee table. I got a Rover V8 block off of eBay a while back, and it's Ali, so it's relatively light. It's got the camshaft and the ends, and obviously comes with 4 pistons, which I'm going to use to basically mount in there like that. So I'm going to use these existing holes at the top and drill them out at the bottom more, so that way I can fit those into there like that. They'll sit at an angle and the glass should sit on top of that. I have noticed it doesn't go quite 45 degrees, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to cut some little notches in the side of the com rods, and hopefully that'll be enough to sit that on top nicely. I got a piece of glass from an old bus that was decommissioned, one of the side windows that was brand new. Obviously you can get glass cut to size, it's not a problem. Yeah, I've got these little feet to go on it, and obviously some pads as well so don't scratch the floor, but we're probably going to have it on the rug anyway. Array of drill bits, some little die grinders, drill obviously, and instead of gluing the glass to the pistons, which could be a problem if we need to move it, because I want to really put too much weight on the glass, I got these Fixate gel pads, which are meant to be quite good, so it should be enough. 4 of them should be enough to hold the glass without it coming off if we lean on it or anything. At least that way we can separate it if we need to. It's all been chemically dipped, so it's nice and clean, no oil or grease, and it should look pretty good once it's done. So I'm going to make a start, because it's going to take a while to get through, so I'm going to start drilling some holes, and yeah, should be fairly easy to assemble. And that's how to build a V8 coffee table. I need to adjust the con rods a little bit more so that they sit more flush, but it's pretty freaking sturdy and it should be fine. Yeah boy. Thanks for watching. Please leave a like and subscribe, and there we have it, one V8 coffee table.